Do you want more independence? Do you have activities or a job? Or do you just like to meet up with friends? You can travel on Fairfax Connector for free. Plan your trip and make sure you have your student bus pass. Next, find your bus stop and check the Fairfax Connector times. Get to your bus stop 5 minutes before your bus is scheduled to depart. While waiting for the bus, be visible and safe by standing away from the curb. Tap your student bus pass on the fare box and look for an empty seat to sit down. Always gather your belongings and enjoy your trip. When the bus arrives, let the passengers off the bus and board the bus using the front doors. If no seats are available, grab the handle overhead on either side of the aisle. Watch or listen for your bus stop and make sure you signal the bus driver before your destination by pulling the cord above the window. Exit the bus when it comes to a complete stop. Now, you are ready to start your favorite activities. If you use a wheelchair, you will be able to easily get on the Fairfax Connector bus. With Fairfax Connector, you can get to all of your favorite destinations, like school, work, or fun. Service animals are permitted on the bus. Go further with Fairfax Connector.